How to download Photoshop on a Mac. First things first, I have a link in the video description just below this video where you can click that and you can get a free trial of Photoshop. So I encourage you to click on that, get the full trial, don't pay anything, check out if this tool is for you. If it is, that's cool. If it isn't, you don't have to pay anything. So once you click that link, you will turn up on a page like this or very similar, depending on how they change the pages over time. And all you'll need to do, I mean, you can get some more information here. You can see how it all works with the 7-day free trial and the 14-day money-back guarantee. You can get some more information about Photoshop. There's some frequently asked questions at the bottom as well. But all you'll need to do to actually download it is to click this Start Free Trial button right here. This will open up the options now. So depending on if you're an individual, a student or teacher, you get a discount there, or a business as well. You can go for, you can select just Photoshop, which is by default here, or you could go for the whole Creative Cloud suite of apps, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe, Acrobat, and more. I think they have Premiere Pro in there as well, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, by default, Photoshop is selected. So from there, you will click Continue, and you will download Photoshop once you have gone through the process of setting up the billing. So like I say, you can get that free trial. The free trial will actually start and then you will be billed if you don't cancel in that 7 days, I should note. So it's a free 7-day trial. You don't pay anything. You will only be billed if you continue with the product. You can cancel at any time. So hopefully you found this video on how to download Photoshop on the Mac useful. If you have, drop this video a like, check out my link as well, get that free trial, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.